Good morning, everybody. Myself, Souva Majumder, Director and founder of Apollonius School of Data Science, a unit of Apollonius Computational Business Solutions Private Limited, Kolkata. I am an alumnus of IIT Kharagpur, pursued my master's degree in the field of artificial intelligence and a bachelor's in electrical engineering. I have worked in the field of artificial intelligence and data science for the last 6 years on several mission critical projects of various universities across the world. Also, I had a deep consulting experience in the field of natural language processing, in the field of financial services, and exploration of various artificial intelligence based expertises. I have worked with global teams which included some of the top-notch companies of the world who are the pioneers in the field of artificial intelligence and data science. Our company is the strategic business partner of IBM United States for the analytics and AI solutions. We work closely with VMware, Nutanix, Intel, and Microsoft. With his vast experiences mentored by some of the top professors in India in the field of analytics and some of the top-notch scientists from the IBM labs United States, we bring for you a discussion session, a monologue about what are the secret recipes of becoming a successful data scientist for the future. I understand those who of you are watching this video are either the students who are in the final year, will be facing their placement sessions in the coming few weeks, or they are planning to embark into the career of data science, or they are planning to choose data science as a career. Maybe some of you are also the professionals who are working in the non-IT, non-data science domain, but they have a dream to venture into this particular domain. So this video is all for you. There is a huge confusion, among all of you, like what is the difference between the data science, the artificial intelligence, the machine learning, the analytics, the data engineer? I understand. It's very complex and it's very difficult to understand and segregate each of them. But to be very honest, it's an entire ecosystem. It's a galaxy. It's a universe. From a universe, you cannot differentiate Earth. You cannot differentiate Saturn. You cannot differentiate the sun, the moon, and the different galaxies in the huge universe. So it is something like that. So you are expected to be a jack of all trade, but master of none. As a data scientist, as a freshers, you would not be expected to be, an expert with critical mathematical concepts, the statistical jargons and everything, but you are expected to know how to tell stories with the data. Telling stories with the data is the key aptitude of a data scientist. That how a good data scientist is differentiated from an average data scientist. So it's all about storytelling, all about making certain models which really works for the problem which you're solving. So it's more of a intuitive decision making. How you can select a great algorithm from the rest of the algorithms. So that is what is expected from you as a future fresher data scientist. So the theme of my talk today is the secret recipes of becoming a successful data scientist. The secret recipes are not your mathematical skills, your statistical skills, your DBMS based skills or the Python coding skills. Well, I expect that those are the skills which almost all of you have gathered over the time. But then what is the secret? What the employers actually look into you? That is very important. The employer doesn't look into you a good mathematician or a good statistician or a good machine learning algorithmist or a good coder. They look into you how you can tackle the mission critical problems, how you can deliver those problems with your intuitive understanding of all the different aspects of the data science themes, right? So you must have a good knowledge of data engineering, you must have a knowledge of machine learning algorithms, a knowledge of Python programming, everything. But again, you must also be aware of the latest trends which are happening in the global scale. At the global scale, some newer concepts have evolved, such as trustworthy AI, governed ML, then model operationalization, auto ops. A newer field of data scientist is evolving, which is known as the citizen data scientist. So who are they? They are the people who are neither statistician, neither mathematician, neither a computer scientist or a computer science engineer. They may be from finance background, they may be from the legal background, they may be from the HR background, marketing people, supply chain experts, mechanical engineers, civil engineer. But with the development of the auto AI and auto ML, people from the various backgrounds, various disciplines can come and work in collaboration with the data science team and give their input. So this opens a very important pathway for the non-statistical students, non-mathematical students, non-computer science students to embark into this career. As per the Forrester's report and some of the global reports by the top-notch agencies like Deloitte and Ernst & Young, it is expected that the citizen data scientist job will be soaring as high as 47% in the coming years. If I am not wrong, it would be something around new 2 to 3 lakhs of jobs will be created only for the citizen data scientists, and this creates a newer avenues, a newer opportunities for the people who are not from the statistics, mathematics, computer science, economics background. Therefore, now coming to my next point is that what are the newer tools and techniques and how to correlate with them. The newer tools and techniques which one is expected to learn is trustworthy AI, the model ops, the governed ops, something about the quantum computing applications, and how every businesses use this kind of technologies along with the traditional machine learning and AI tools to deliver their results. So that is what you are expected to know. So when you are appearing for an interview as an analyst or data scientist or a machine learning engineer or AI engineer, you must have a very clear vision like how you can deliver to the company's goal. That is very important, and every recruiters, every interviewers wants to hear from you. With my vast experience and knowledge and having worked with several organizations of repute, I know what they actually expect. Keeping in view of this, we have come up with a unique course on practical data science, which is not going to teach you the traditional, theoretical aspects of data science. Because that every one of you have mostly learned or will be learning from different edtech solutions which are available on the YouTube or several, the platform, the online learning platforms. Those are already there. We will going to teach you with a case-based approach what is actually not taught to you. That is what industry wants. Let me ask you one question. How many of you know about the benefit of the hyper-converged infrastructure? How it is actually revolutionizing the artificial intelligence revolution. What role it has to play? What is the role of 5G network? We all are quite excited about the 5G. But is 5G only for the mobile? Only for the mobile phones, or it has got a greater impact? What is all about the quantum computing power? Why Government of India has decided to invest approximately around 8,000 crore rupees in this particular domain of quantum computing? I was in a recent talk with some of the professors from IIM Ahmedabad and IITs, and we have strategized some decisions in this. How robotics will going to play a role for a future development? Does robotics means only a humanoid robotics? No, it is not. Robotics is now applied in financial, documentation segregations, loan selections, fraud analytics, everywhere. So we're going to take you through the different applications of artificial intelligence along with the newer concept of trustworthy AI into the various domains like finance, retail, marketing, HR, legal, with case-based approach. Therefore, I would like to request all of you to come and join this program. Prior venturing into your career as a data scientist or a machine learning engineer, get yourself equipped with all the knowledges required. For further inquiry and having a one-to-one discussion with me, you can call in my number 6289859719, and also you can visit our website www.apollonius.in to know more about all these technologies. With this introductory video, I conclude today's talk, and I would going to bring for you a series of talks on different aspects of the latest trends of AI and machine learning and data science in my coming videos. So, see you soon. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.